And so I'd like for you to think about this in three buckets. There are tons of opportunities within these three buckets themselves. You want to think about asking people in person, whether they're at your checkout, at an event with you in person or online, while you're helping a customer in front of you, or maybe on the phone. In your print materials is another great opportunity here. Any signage around your store or your office location, your flyers, brochures, menus, or even your direct mail opportunities, those are great for encouraging people to sign up as well. And then online, you've got tons of opportunities here. You want to think about your website and having some opportunities there, your social media, and then your personal email signature. So for your business or organization, your email where you're contacting and talking to people on the regular with questions or volunteers or whatever it might be. You've got your signature in there, it should have your name. And so you want to put in there a link to encourage people to sign up within your email signature as well.